Let us see one more problem based on trigonometric identities of CBSE 10th standard or ICSE 10th standard. Okay, just see what the problem is. See here, we need to prove that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to secant theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay, so here we need to take this LHS and we need to obtain this. See this. Okay, so now LHS part would be sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta. So for easy solving, I want to do one thing. Here I want to convert this entire expression in terms of sin and cos once again. So here this is sin theta and 1 minus cos theta. Write it as it is. Sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, we wrote it as it is. Now plus here tan theta. If you want to convert the tan theta in terms of sin and cos, how can we write it? Tan theta is a ratio of sin theta to cos theta. So therefore we can write it as what? Sin theta by cos theta upon what? 1 plus cos theta. Okay, we can consider this as by 1 also. Means this is one fraction and this is one fraction. This is a fraction in denominator part. Okay, now this would be what? Sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus here sin theta by cos theta into the denominator fraction get inverse. So what happens? 1 by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so which can be further written as. So now just see here in how many terms are here? This is one term and this is one term. In these two terms we have sin theta in common. So we can take common sin theta, right? Take it common. Now when sin theta is took out, here 1 is left in numerator part by 1 minus cos theta plus here also sin theta we took outside, so nothing is there in the numerator part. That means 1 is there into cos theta by cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, right, this is what the expression inside the bracket out after taking sin theta in common. Okay, right, so just see here. Now how can we write this? So sin theta into, just take the LCM of the expression inside the bracket. So just see here, cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, this into 1. So write this into 1, cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, right? Plus 1 minus cos theta into 1, 1 minus cos theta. Okay, upon your 1 minus cos theta into cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, like this we simplified. Now let us do some more simplification further. See here, sin theta into, so see this, simplify this bracket here. So for opening this bracket, multiply this cos theta with 1 and cos theta. Cos theta times of 1, that would be cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Now plus 1 minus cos theta upon here, see this, write down cos theta first. Now 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. One plus cos theta. Okay, now here in numerator part plus cos theta and minus cos theta are cancelled. What is left over? So here sin theta into 1 plus cos square theta plus 1. Nothing is left over, no? Cos square theta and 1. Remaining all are cancelled upon cos theta into Just observe here 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, which is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So further we can write it as a square minus b square or not. As you know that a minus b into a plus b equal to what? A square minus b square, which is standard algebraic formula from special products. Understand? So here also we can write it 1 as a and cos theta as b. If you consider this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b would be a square minus b square. That means here 1 square minus cos square theta, right? A square minus b square. Okay. Now let me write here. Here this would be how much? Sin theta into cos square theta plus 1 in the upper part upon here see cos theta into 1 minus cos square theta. Again use sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now here if you send this cos square theta to this side, then what happens? Sin square theta would be equal to 1. This plus becomes minus on going that side, 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so tell me here, when 1 minus cos square theta, so 1 minus cos square theta can be written as what? Sin square theta or not? So instead of writing 1 minus cos square theta, we can replace that with sin square theta. Clear or not? Okay, now let me write this. Sin theta into cos square theta plus 1 by cos theta into sin square theta. Here in upper and lower parts, means numerator and denominator part, in numerator part sin theta is there, and in denominator part sin square theta is there, so we can cancel one of the sin theta. So what is left over now? Cos square theta plus 1 upon cos theta sin theta, because one sin theta is cancelled now, so only one sin theta is left over. So now what happens on separating the fractions? What happens? Cos square theta upon cos theta into sin theta plus 1 upon, means 1 by cos theta sin theta. Okay, now what happens? Here again, here if you just observe, here cos square theta is there in numerator and cos theta is there in denominator. So one cos theta can be cancelled. Now cos theta is remained on the upper part. So therefore this is cos theta by sin theta. Plus, for my convenience, I am going to split this 1 by cos theta sin theta into 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. Is it okay or not? Yes, this 1 by sin theta cos theta is splitted into 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. Now tell me here, what is the ratio between cos theta to sin theta? Is it cot or not? Yes, ratio of cos theta to sin theta would be cot theta. So we can write it as what? Cot theta plus. Next, 1 by cos theta can be replaced by what? Secant theta or not? Yes, secant theta, because cos theta and secant thetas are reciprocals of each other. Cos theta can be written as 1 by secant theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. And 1 by sin theta can be written as what? Cosecant theta or not? Yes, it can be written as cosecant theta. Okay, because sin theta and cosecant thetas are reciprocals of each other. So I think we obtained our required condition. Yes, you can write this term first. Secant theta, cosecant theta, okay, plus cot theta. Okay, cot. Okay, this is cot theta. So tell me, we obtained our required condition or not? That equal to RHS part. Like this we can solve it. Okay, so students, This is how we need to solve even somehow lengthy problems. This is not too difficult one, but of course this is a moderate problem you can solve in 10th standard level of CBSE or ICSE or any curriculum. Anyways guys, if you are expecting anything else from us, please don't forget to put your comments in the comment section. We'll definitely follow that comments, and we'll try to make the videos based on your opinions from the comment section.